Let us to look over here how to find such a problem in which there is the power is given as well as there is a product and division also given in the same that expression. So for such a thing that we are going to use this general rule. Okay, so over here you can observe that we want to find out how much is the error in the measurement of this z. Okay, at physical quantity which is z over here, how much is the error in it. So for this student, you must to know over here that first thing that they are written in a product. Okay, so as we are known that whenever there is the product of the two which is having the error, so in that case we are going to find out this fractional error. So it is delta a by a plus delta b by b. Okay, similarly it is if these two are going to divide each other, then there we are going to find again this fractional error. So it is a and it is delta b by b. Okay, and if it is the matter of power, then we are going to find again this fractional error delta z by z. We brings this power to the front, and again we find out the fractional error in this measurement. Okay, so this is that we are having. Now look over here that a and b, it is in multiplication. Okay, and c is in divide. A is having the power, b is having the power, c is having the power. Okay, so therefore all these three types of situation we are going to face in this single question. Okay, then how to have the solution for such a question. Okay, so welcome you back in this physics video, and we are going to learn today it is how to implement this general rule for combination of error. Okay, so what will do over here, again find out this fractional error delta z by z. Okay, think over there just to forget the power. Okay, how will you write this that product? So this product will be written as that fractional error in A plus fractional error in B. Okay, and just forget the power of this C as well. So how will you write this division? So look up over here. If there is anything in division, so it will be simply written as fractional error in plus. Okay, so thus over here, and that here it is fractional error in A plus fractional error in B plus fractional error in C. Okay, this is the way of noting down all these things. Now see that this is having the power. So we are known over there when there is the power. So in that time this power will come to the front. Okay, so therefore A is having the power. So this power will come to the front. So it is P into fractional error in A. Here it is Q into fractional error in B plus that of S into fractional error in C. Okay, this is that we are having fractional error in that measurement of this physical quantity. Now let us to solve over here numerical which is based on it. This is one of the example we are supposing as density is given as. So density it is written as rho, and which is mass per unit volume. Okay, and this volume it is given as that length cube. Okay, so already we are known with this formula. Now the question is given to us that uh, there is error involved in the measurement of a side and mass of a cube. Okay, what we have taken over here, there is a cube. Okay, this is a cube over here. So in the measurement of this cube, there is the error which is in its mass as well as in its that side. Okay, so it is said over here that the percentage error in mass, it is given to us 3%, while sorry, it is not 3%, it is 4%. Percentage error in that mass, it is 4%, while that of percentage error in side, it is 3%. Okay, so how much is the error in density? Find the percentage error in density. ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है, डेंसिटी के अंदर परसेंटेज एरर फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, सो ऑलरेडी लुक अप ओवर हियर. डेंसिटी का फार्मूला क्या होता है, मास पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम होता है. ठीक है, और वॉल्यूम को आप लेंथ क्यूब लिख सकते हो, क्योंकि इसमें साइड दी है तो इसलिए लेंथ क्यूब होगी हमारे पास. क्यूब के लिए तो लेंथ ब्रेड्थ हाइट एक बराबर. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमारे पास एल का क्यूब हो जाएगा. नाउ यू विल फाइंड ओवर देयर, हमारे पास मास में भी एरर है, लेंथ में भी एरर है. लेंथ की पावर है, मास की पावर नहीं है. ठीक है, लेकिन ये कौन सा यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पर ये दोनों मेजरमेंट एक दूसरे को डिवाइड कर रही है ना. सो ओवर देयर वी आर नॉन इन सच ए केस, जब डिवीजन होता है तो उस सिचुएशन के अंदर हमारे पास जो फ्रैक्शनल एरर हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसलिए फ्रैक्शनल एरर इन डेंसिटी इट इज़ इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, ए अपॉन में बी वाली फॉर्म में. ठीक है, तो इसलिए फ्रैक्शनल एरर इन मास प्लस फ्रैक्शनल एरर इन लेंथ. ठीक है, तो जो उसकी साइड है उसके फ्रैक्शनल एरर. बट यू विल फाइंड दैट लेंथ की क्या है, पावर. तो इसलिए जब पावर की बात आती थी तो पावर मल्टीप्लाई में आती थी उस फ्रैक्शनल एरर के साथ. तो इसलिए ये पावर यहाँ पर फ्रैक्शनल एरर ऑफ साइड के साथ मल्टीप्लाई में है. ठीक है, सो नाउ दिस इज simply what is that fractional error, but they have given us the percentage error in it. ठीक है, उन्होंने percentage error दिया. so you can multiply with this 100 both side. ठीक है, तो 100 से दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो इसलिए ये हमारे पास परसेंटेज कन्वर्जन हो जाता है. दिस इज कन्वर्जन इन परसेंटेज. ओके, सो दस वी आर गेटिंग ओवर हेयर, इट इज़ मास में कितना परसेंट एरर है, 4% एरर है, प्लस 3 इंटू लेंथ में कितना परसेंट एरर है, इट इज़ 3%. ठीक है, सो दस फाइनली वी आर गेटिंग दिस इज एज 13% ऑफ द एरर. Okay, this is the answer which we are having from this question. Okay, and remember over there कि अगर कोई कांस्टेंट हमारे पास इन फार्मूलाज के अंदर आता है, सो दिस कांस्टेंट विल रिमेन सेम. ठीक है, तो उसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता, लास्ट तक वो अपना इफेक्ट सेम ही रखने वाला है जो कांस्टेंट वैल्यूज होती हैं. ठीक है, ओनली जिनमें एरर्स हैं उनकी वजह से ही फाइनल वैल्यू में एरर जो है वो इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.